They say birds of a feather flock together, meaning that people who have the similar interests, the same personality, same characteristics. This can be a good and a bad thing, because if you're someone like me who is an entrepreneur, who has dreams, who wants to, take on the world, you need to surround yourself with that. Where the con is, if who's wasting time with a dude who's like, lazy, just doesn't really have any proper goals in their life, so you have to make a distinction of which group of people you're going to surround yourself with.